Meet Blinq, the future of professional networking. Tired of traditional business cards that get lost? Blinq offers a digital solution that instantly connects you. With over 2.5 million users, it transforms the way you share your professional identity. Imagine this: you meet someone at a networking event. In seconds, you can share a personalized digital card via QR code or NFC tap, capturing valuable details effortlessly. No app needed. Blinq is not just a card, it's the first point of connection in today's fast-paced world. It stands out with seamless integration into your existing workflows, ensuring you never forget a new relationship. Don't miss this opportunity. Join the Blinq revolution and elevate your professional interactions now. Create your free card today.